Introducing the big, the huge, the biggest educational pack. This is a powerful tool for those who create educational content. This is a complete e-learning suite with more than 160 ready-to-use elements. You can combine scenes for creating stunning educational content. 3 demo styles, intros, slides, titles, hand-drawn elements, icons, quizzes, and other elements. All scenes are in 4K resolution. Wait! Are you a YouTuber? This pack is all you need. Now you can create lessons, tutorials, webinars in just a few clicks. We have end scenes, social media icons, and subscribe buttons. Check out a preview of all scenes.